Hello everyone. This explanation comes from many hours of diagnostics, repairs, and real-world experiences we've gathered from working day after day in our repair shop. One of the errors that confuses Lululemon the Mirror customers the most is the Bluetooth pairing error code 121. Many people think the device's Bluetooth system has failed, but based on our experience handling these cases in the shop, most of the time the problem is with the connection between devices rather than a serious hardware failure. Several customers describe a very similar situation. The mirror detects their headphones or phone, but when they try to connect, the 121 error code appears or the pairing process simply never finishes. This usually happens because an old Bluetooth connection is still saved, creating a conflict between the mirror and the device trying to connect. That's why the first thing we check is removing the saved Bluetooth connections from both devices. Many times the phone, headphones, or the mirror itself keep information from previous pairings, preventing a new connection from being created properly. After clearing those saved connections, we also recommend unplugging the mirror from power for a few seconds to fully restart the system. Another common issue we find is that some Bluetooth accessories, especially headphones, automatically reconnect to the last device they were used with. Some customers tell us their headphones work perfectly with their phone but won't connect to the mirror because they are still linked in the background. In those cases, the existing connection needs to be released before trying to pair again. We've also seen cases where the error appears after a system update. That doesn't always mean the update itself is the cause, but it can sometimes leave certain internal processes stuck. Keeping the software updated and performing a full restart is usually one of the first recommendations from technical support.